Yogah Karmasu Kaushalam.
Namaskar. First of all, congratulations to all of you for your selection on this online short-term course on e-content development. There were so many applications and you are selected for the course, so you deserve congratulations. I'm very happy to invite you to participate in this online short-term course on e-content development during 28th of May to 3rd of June, organized by UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Friends, I wish all of you a happy and healthy life for yourself and your family. I would like to thank you for your tremendous response. This response is motivating and tremendous. Friends, it really boosts our confidence and it boosts our endeavors to organize such courses. When we organize the first course like this, then when we are planning this first short-term course on e-content development, my team along with my Vice Chancellor and we all of us have thought that, okay, we will go for a course and maybe this course will have participants around 30 to 40. That is what we have thought. Our idea was to have about 20 to 30 or maybe maximum 40 participants. What we have thought is, let us keep this course voluntary. It is voluntary. We even didn't advertise much. We sent a few of the messages to few friends in some networks and we kept it on our website. At the same time, I've shared it on official Facebook page and my personal Facebook page. These were the endeavors which we have done to popularize the applications, and we invited applications. See, to our surprise, just in 2 days, we have received more than 200 applications. We're so much happy with that. But at the same time, we thought that, okay, we want to go for only one course. We'll not go for more than that courses. But my Vice Chancellor motivated us. And my team and we all together thought, no, as an HRDC Gujarat University, we always look at the participants. And when participants in this much big number are interested in taking part in such a course, why should we stop them? So we decided that, okay, let's try to admit maximum people we can. And then we have decided one figure that, okay, we will go for 300 participants. But to our surprise again, when we wanted to stop at 300, we thought that, okay, let us stop it at 300 or maybe 310. And then we have stopped it. But I tell you, friends, then there were so many phone calls, so many messages, so many emails from friends like you. And at last, we have stopped it around 380 somewhere. We have admitted around 400 participants in the previous courses. Then also, we were receiving tremendous response. There were many friends who were telling us, okay, sir, we also want to join this program. Even I tell you, friends, the program which we have organized, the success of that, the participants who participated in that, they also spread the word by mouth publicity. And there were many calls and many inquiries from different friends who are working in academic fraternity that said, we want to join this course. Looking at all this, and after several meetings with my team and the Vice Chancellor, we decided to invite maximum participants we can. And so we have opened the registrations once again. The registrations were open till 24th of May. And the course was to start from 28th. So we have closed it before 3 days. And friends, I would like to tell you that the registrations which you have received, they are more than 1,000. So I would like to invite once again all of you who are so lucky and all of you who are really willing to learn something. Friends, I have a group of you who are so much interested in learning by themselves. And I'm so happy about it. When something becomes mandatory, okay, people learn it, but the attitude changes. Here, you have learning attitude. I really appreciate your attitude. And I would like to say that I compliment your zeal and your motivation of learning. So now together we will try to learn, and this learning will make a difference. there are few instructions and there are few things about the course which I would like to tell you. The first course which we have launched, that is the first phase of such courses, online short-term course on e-content development, was like we tried to keep it face-to-face, like the classes only. What we have done is we have used Zoom software, and using Zoom software, we every day conducted classes together. There were 3 classes in the morning and 3 classes in the evening. The classes were like they used to start at 10:30 and they used to end at 1:30. Like that in the evening also it was like that. And there were a lot of activities, there were many tasks, there are several things which the participants have to do during that. But what happened is, we received many suggestions, we received many feedback, we always collect that. Based on that, we are discussing that we should come out with such a system which is real online in the sense. Then we have reviewed the Swayam courses, we have reviewed the edX courses, Coursera courses, who are leaders in online learning. Our team has worked very closely on different platforms which provide different kind of online courses, the most popular platforms. And then at last we come to know that there are many problems which our participants face while doing the course. While doing my course, the first phase, there were complaints, not exactly complaints, but there were many troubles which my participants were facing. And the troubles are like the failure of internet connection, the failure of electricity, the failure of hardware devices. Maybe mobile gets hang at some time. They are not getting the bandwidth which they need to get. They are getting internet connection, but internet connection used to be slow. At exact time when they want to learn, maybe due to some reason they were not able to get connected. Because friends, you know that during this time of lockdown, or even it is open, but there are many people who prefer to be at home, and government also advises you that you be at home. So almost all bandwidth is used by many people. So when this bandwidth of internet used by multiply of people, by a large number of people, it is very difficult for all of us to get the bandwidth which really we require. So the speed issue is there, even if you have everything, even if you have mobile, even if you have laptop, even if you have electricity, even if you have internet connection, then also the internet speed gets low. And that's why there are many problems which you face. So this was the first problem which came to us. The second problem which came to us was, like many friends were saying, sir, we have to be there at 10:30 exactly. And we have to start the class. They have to sit at the class like they were sitting for the traditional class. Then what is the benefit of online? So that was another issue which came, that they have to, and there were many requests, sir, we want to attend evening class. Somebody said, sir, we want to attend morning class. So we have to do this, we have to do that. There are some tasks which they have to perform. And that's why there were many requests that not this time, sir, this time, please give us this time. That means the conveniency of time was always not there. There was second issue. Third issue was, people said, sir, like a class, teacher comes, this is very technical and this we are very much interested in learning this, but what happens is, after they complete their session, we really miss many things. Because there are many things, many steps which we want to follow. We want to follow what they said, and we really want to create website. We really want to do a lot of things. But it is not possible for us to do a lot of things, because the problem is we can't follow them with the speed which they speak. And I have only one laptop. So either I can see them or I can do it. So I want to see them, and at the same time I want to follow them and I want to practice it. After all, see, this e-content development is something which is related to skill. And when you want to enhance your skill, it is necessary that you should have to do something. So for doing it, we need a video, we need something which can support us, and we can look at it at our time, so that we can repeat it. If needed, we can see it again and again. Those who think that, okay, I know this, maybe there are many participants who may think that okay, we know this, we know these steps, it is very easy for us, and fine, why should we be there to listen it? It's a 2-hour video. In this 2-hour lecture, maybe first half an hour we know these are the very basic things. And see, so for those people who really are very good in ICT skills, those who are very good in some things and they want to learn only advanced things, for them also, there were problems because they have to listen to whatever is said. Now the solution is, what solution we have found is, solution, okay, I'll come to solution later on. So this was another problem. These are few of the problems which we have faced, which my participants were facing. See, from our side, it was a less problem because we have managed on multiple devices. We have given bandwidth and 2-3 connections like that. But then also there were some problems with us. Once or twice it happened that my resource person got disconnected. And when the resource person got disconnected, what I have to do is, I have to intervene and I have to take a class in between. Imagine that the class is going on. At present, I'm speaking to you, and suddenly electricity gets filled from where I'm talking to you. So it gets blank. I will not be with you. And if it goes on for half an hour, what will happen to my participants? They will think that, okay, we are wasting our time. So to solve these issues, to solve these problems, we thought to follow, and one of the best facilities for online education is Swayam, the platform created by Ministry of Human Resource Development. And if I look at the world, the best platforms in the world are Coursera and edX. There are plenty of softwares, there are plenty of platforms, but just I would like to name the leaders. So if we look at world, the leaders in online education or the system they follow, they are Swayam, then they are Coursera and edX. So what we thought is, let us follow their pedagogy and their system. Don't just go for a webinar system. Why should we follow just webinar system? So to make it convenient to you, to help you in a better way, to serve you in a better way, to develop your skills, to learn together and make this program really fruitful. See, our intention, the intention of my whole team, the intention of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University is just one. And that is, all my participants should learn. All my participants should develop their skills. Their skills should be developed. The intention of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, the intention of whole team here is to learn together, is to help you with all the skills. And see, it is not just for the certificate. Okay, we provide certificate. Certificate is very essential. But the basic thing is we want all of you to learn. We want all of you to get benefited out of this. We want all of us together to learn it. So how learning will happen? The learning can happen when I can really have access to whatever is delivered. If it may happen that the session starts at 10:30, I could not join at that time, then how will I can have access to that material which has passed away? Or if I would like to listen it 2 times, 3 times or 4 times, how can I do that? If I want some extra material on that, always how can I do that? So friends, what we have devised, as I told you, we followed the pioneers. We followed the best people as far as online education is concerned. And we came out with the idea to deliver this in MOOCs form. MOOCs, you know, friends, I'm going to discuss about MOOCs in detail also, but just let me tell you, it's massive open online courses. And we have followed the tradition of MOOCs. So what we are going to do exactly? MOOCs follows 4-quadrant approach. We are going to provide you video in each module. Every day, say for example, on the very first day of inaugural, the inaugural session will be there and all of you will attend the inaugural session. Just after the inaugural session, there will be a module called first module and there will be a second module. The first and second module on the very first day includes, I'm going to talk about what is Econtent and I'm going to introduce this books. What is it? So you will have a video. My video will be there as you are watching me just now. And after you will watch my video, there will be supporting Econtent. There will be supporting reading material. There will be some exercises. There will be some activity. There will be some quizzes. So there will be a lot of related work to my video. You can watch the video as many times you want. You can read the content as many times you want to read. You can perform the quizzes, you can perform the activities, everything you can do. But the condition is, all of you have to watch the video, all of you have to read the content, all of you have to reply to the quizzes. So all of you have to fill in the quizzes, and all of you have to carry out whatever activities you are told to. The activities may be like, I'll tell you that, okay, create e-content. How will you create e-content? We will teach you. We will scaffold it. We will make it simple for you. We will tell you the steps exactly how you can do that. Now, following those steps, you have to do it. So you have to learn by doing it. And if we learn by doing, that is the best way to learn it. So we are trying to follow the best way possible for better learning. Now, let me explain this. Before this module, there will be inaugural function. So 28, the day one will be fine. It will be over. On second day, we will discuss about how to create e-content. Which are the tools of creating e-content? So these are e-content creation we will talk about. E-content creation will be an interesting module for us. On the third day, we will talk about various online tools available for creation of e-content. How to create and then tools. Which are the tools? Which tools are useful to us? These all things we will talk about in creation of e-content. Then the next day the content will be like how to create website. How understanding the basics of website and then creation of website. Friends will teach you creating e-content, not only creating, but we will teach you how you can have your own website. Imagine that you will have website of your name, your institute's name. Then the next will be how to integrate social media, e-content and websites. So that also we will talk about. And in the last phase, we will talk about Google Classroom. How you can develop your course for the students. As per UGC guidelines, the first phase we have to deliver online. So when you want to deliver your first phase online or in any course, you think that okay, I would like to deliver 50% of my course online. Suppose I am teaching paper 1 of compulsory English and I think that okay, 50% I will teach in class and 50% I will deliver via online. So you can develop your own course online, you can upload material, you can evaluate them, you can grade them, you can assess them, you can provide videos, you can provide audio, you can provide authentic material, you can provide e-text, you can provide resources, what not. This all will be in synchronization. You may have 10 students or 1,000 students. You can deal with them and you can do it very easily, very quickly. There will be very less problems through which you have to pass and you can easily do this. So this is our plan. This is what we are going to teach you. Now let us come to exactly how will you access our material. Friends, we have created Google Classroom for you. And for this short-term course, all of you have to log into Google Classroom. Those who want to use this Google Classroom through mobile or tablet. If you plan to attend this course using your mobile or tablet, fine, you are allowed to, there is no problem. If you want to do that, what you have to do is you have to go to a Play Store or you have to go application store if you are using Mac. That means if you are using Android system, go to Play Store. If you are not using Android system and if you are using Apple mobile, go to application store and just find Google Classroom, type it. And then you will get a link of the Google Classroom, that is application. Download that application and then keep that application ready in your mobile or tablet. If you are using computer, laptop, desktop, Mac or any such thing, then there is no need to download this app. You can directly access this through your web browser. HRDC will send you Google Classroom invitation link on your registered email. You have to click on the link and you have to join it. All the information, material, instructions, everything will be available on concerned Google Classroom. Let me exactly show you how will it work. Let's have a look at the screen. I'll try to show you that how kind of email you will receive. So I would like to show you the email here and that. So friends, what I exactly want to show you here, just give me a minute. I would like to show you something that when you will receive this email, how will it look like? Yes. Now this email will be available on your screen and you can see that. I'm sharing the screen with you. See, look at this, friends. In your email box, you will receive an email like this. The email will be from, you will receive the email, you can see this. Your email will be from online course. So from this address, you will have your email. Now, when you find this online course, if you think that, you can look at the cursor. If you don't find this email in your email box till 27 evening, then you have to go to your spam box and check it. Whether it is in the spam, whether it has gone to some other folder, or it is in your inbox. And there will be written like class invitation. Here it is written that 7th online short-term course on e-content development. Like this, the numbers will be different. It may be 8, it may be 9, it may be 10. We are going to create 30 different classes to give you customized support, because we don't want to have more than 30 or 40 so that we cannot handle it. My team will constantly be there with you and we will have a small class of 30 to 40. So when you click on email, see, I have clicked on that email. If you go to this email, whatever way you are using your email, you open the email. The email, when you will open it, it will look like this. The email will look like Google Classroom, and this is the invitation. It is written like, hello, online course. This address you have to remember. This is the email address through which we will communicate with you. And if you have any problem, you can communicate with me also. Just look at the email address and you can note down also. The email address is online@hrdcgujarat.ac.in. So you will receive an email from this email address. It will be written like, invited you to the class 7th online short-term course on e-content development. 7th. It is written like this. So now it may be possible that your class may have 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, whatever number it is. What you should do, it's very simple. Just you have to click on join. But here there is one condition. If your email is not of Google, it may have some difficulty in joining this. If your email is particularly of your institutional domain, like if your email is xyz@gujaratuniversity.ac.in, it will not permit you to join this class. So it's preferable that you should join it with Gmail. Those who don't have Gmail, or those who didn't have registered using Gmail account, I suggest all of them that just send one email to our online@hrdcgujarat.ac.in from your registered email, which you have registered in the form. And write in that email address that you are requesting that you have registered using this email address, that means whatever ac.in, but you are providing this as an alternative, so that we will update your alternative email in our records and we will send you invitation on that alternative email. Now what you have to do, it's very simple. Just click on the join. I'm clicking on the join. See what happens. Now when I click on the join, it will process. I'm coming back to the class because I have already joined the class. So it tells me that, okay, I'm coming back to the class. See, it will show you the classroom like this, that now you have to select whatever email you received or whatever Gmail account you have. The email, on whatever email you have received, you have to select that only. I have multiple email IDs. That's why it has shown me multiple email IDs. If you have just one email ID registered on your laptop or mobile or whatever tool you are using, it will not show you like this. It will just open directly. Now I have kept 2 courses here, but you will see only one course. Whatever course, 7th or whatever, you will see. I have already registered for 2 courses, so I can see 2. So when you see this, you have to click on this, double click on this, and it will open another page. This page, it will look like this. It says 7th online short-term course on e-content development. So whatever number you get, it will look like this. There will be, at present, there are different sections which you can look at. The first section, look at it. It is stream. If I click on this, this is the home page. It will look like this. This at present, whatever you can see, it's stream. Here, I can see whatever is posted by my resource person here. Let me click on the first thing which is posted here. The post here is, this is that UGC HRDC website link for your reference. So I am giving you link. If you click on the link, the website of HRDC of Gujarat University will open like this. Now this is just for your reference, so that you can learn out of it that what is happening on my website. I'm coming back. See, so this is just for your reference. I'm again coming back. Here, when you look at this, the another link here is online course posted a new material, instructions to join inaugural function. If you click on this, there are instructions how you can join the inaugural function. There will be a link. At present, we have not uploaded the link. When you click on the link below that, as I have clicked, you will directly go to our inaugural function and you will read the instruction. Like that, there is a third click here. I can click, this is the instruction. And there are some other clicks. I am not clicking on everything. When you go there, you have to click by yourself. Now, whatever is there, you will come to know. When you click here, it will tell you your calendar, when you have to do what. It will tell you to do. That means if you click on to do, at present there is nothing. There are 2, 3, see, there are no due dates. There is nothing which is missing like that. But it will tell you if there is anything missing. And it will show you if you have done anything. If you click on it, see, I haven't done anything. So whatever you have done, have you completed anything or not, you can check from here itself. Just click on to do, it will show you the list, and done, you can go to that. Now I'm going back to the class. In class, there are 3 options: stream, classwork, and people. Click on classwork. Here you can see different kind of classwork, which I could see there also. So it talks about inaugural function here. Again, same things. UGC HRDC website. If I click here, I can see the website link. If I click on the link, website will open. Inaugural function, if I click on this, I can read what it is and I can get the link to join inaugural function. If I go to the third link, general information, I'll get information and the links. Now let's go to the next click, that is people. It shows me just online course and nothing else it shows me. It just shows me a teacher, because at present nobody is added to this course. When there will be people added to this, you will come to know them. Now in the stream, what you can do is you can start typing here. If you click here, it will allow you to type. You can type your name here, like I can type Professor Dr. Jagdish Joshi. Then you can write. You can write your affiliation, you can write your designation, whatever you want to write, and then you can click on post. So that will be visible to all your fellow classmates, all your fellow people who are attending this with you. So this is how you can enter in Google Classroom. If you have any trouble, you can contact us on the email address which is given in. I have shown you how easily you can connect to the Google Classroom. So you have to go to Google Classroom and you have to use Google Classroom for all the purposes. Everything related to this course will be available on the Google Classroom. In the email also, we have described various things which you need to go for. Now, another very important thing. After you complete watching this video, all of you are advised to subscribe this channel. This is the official channel of UGC HRDC of Gujarat University. Subscribe it. And now another thing you have to do is you have to comment. Just 1 line comment minimum is must for you. See, from our side, to know that you have seen this video, we need at least 1 comment from your side. Just comment your name, or comment that your name will be appearing there. How you find the video, whether it is useful or not, or whatever. You can comment in a way. Your comments will boost our confidence. So you have to subscribe this channel and you have to comment. That is very important, and that will mark your presence. So that is to be done. Now on 28th, you will get this link and everything, and on 28th you will get inaugural link and everything. Whatever 3 things I have shown you, that will be available today also. So you can read that, and just whenever you will get the invitation to Google Classroom before 28, at least by 27 you will get the invitation. So when you will attend the class, you will see these things. As I told you, you have to go to inaugural function. When you go to inaugural function, again you have to comment there. Whatever video you watch, remember it. At least you have to comment once. And you have to like it and comment it. So that will make us understand that whether you have seen the video or not. And that will mark your presence. Now another thing. All of you are requested to download Zoom app also. ZOOM app. The details of downloading are available in this write-up and the email. But yeah, if you are interested, I can show you exactly how you can download it. Let's go to the internet. When you go to internet, like this, you find different slides. So what you can do is, you can just open a new tab in your internet like this. And in the new tab, you can go to Google, click on the Google. On Google, you can just type Zoom, ZOOM and .us and click it. It will take you to Zoom video conferencing tool. So this is where it will take you. This is the website. Now here there are various things available, and there is one thing called resources. Under resources, it says download Zoom client. So download the Zoom client, whether you want to use mobile or whether you want to use laptop, whatever you want to use, you have to download this Zoom client. So you have to keep, if you want to use mobile, you have to keep your Google Classroom downloaded, Google Classroom app you have to download, and Zoom you have to download. If you are using only computer or so, there also you have to download at least Zoom app. We'll get you connected, Zoom app also, for conference meetings or whatever is required, and we will send you invitation to join that. Whenever you are attending Zoom meetings, there are some etiquettes which you have to follow. You have to keep your mic on mute. Whatever queries come in your mind, they should be posted in chat room. The resource person will read it and reply. Even if your query is not replied, then you have to post the same query in Google Classroom. Concerned resource person will reply your questions, whatever you ask, using Google Classroom. Remember, you will be asked to watch video, perform tasks, actively participate in all the activities, give feedback, answer quiz and MCQs. This is what you have to do. You will be required to attend the inaugural and all sessions and participate in all the sessions and the task which I told you just now. That will only make you eligible to receive the certificate. If you will fail to do this, we will not be able to issue you certificate. Because after all, we want to give certificate to only those who really want to learn. So if you want to learn, you have to earn your certificate by learning this. Not just by paying money, you will get certificate. Total 30 courses will take place during these dates. Your dates are 28 May to 3rd June. And the course you are admitted in, from that course you will receive the invitation. I wish you happy and fruitful online experience. Friends, together we will try to learn online. Together we will make a difference. So I told you almost all the steps which you have to follow for doing this course. What are the requirements? And this course, as I told you, is going to be delivered in real MOOCs platform. You will experience the MOOCs and you will learn the MOOCs, not only experience and learn the MOOCs, but if you do this course attentively, if you do this course really in a way we ask you to do it, if you really follow whatever instructions are given by me and my team, then I tell you friends, at the end of the course, you will be able to develop your own course like this. The course is meant in a way, the course will be available to you at your time, at your speed, and at your place, in your equipment. Friends, what more we want than this? You have whole day to attend, just you have to give me 4 hours a day. You just start day 1, look at videos and everything will take 2 to 3 hours. Then whatever activities are given, it will take not more than 1 hour. Just you have to spend 4 to 5 hours a day. It depends. If you are a very quick learner, you may spend less time. If you are slow learner, you have to spend some more time. And don't hesitate to take help of your son, your brother, the young people, whosoever are in your family. See, they are the digital natives and we are the digital migrants. So they are very quick in learning this. When you learn this, you can do it together. Your family can also learn out of this course. I don't mind. All of you can learn together. Use this material, learn it. Once again, I am telling you that I tried, my team has tried, that you should be convenient. It should be your convenience to learn this. We tried our best to provide you the best we can, in the best way we can. That means at your time, your pace, that means at your speed, your place, and in your equipment. Now the choice is yours. Friends, promise me, you will be there with me for whole 1 week. You will complete the course and you will earn the certificate. I want to give the certificate to 100% participants. I don't want to stop certificate of even a single person from this group. You have to help me to give you certificate, and you have to earn your certificate. And I tell you, friends, you will thank me at the end of the course that really you have gained something. Really you have achieved something. Really your skills are improved, and now you are ready to float your own course. And the day I will see your online courses, I'll be the happiest person. We will talk more later on. We will connect more later on. Till now, just wait for our email to join the classroom, to join the Google Classroom. If you don't receive the email till 27, contact us on our email address. We will try to check out if there is any problem or anything. We are there to solve it. Happy learning. Good day to all of you. And we together will learn, and we together will make a difference for the mankind and for the people learning and teaching in higher education in India. Thank you very much.